Are you ready to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more? Welcome to LiveWebinar.com, where hosting recurring webinars has never been easier. Recurring webinars are your ticket to consistent engagement. Whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. First, log into your user panel and create a new event. Don't forget to give it a catchy name. Set your start date, choose the duration, and pick your time zone. Simple, right? Now click the plus sign next to Add Recurring Webinars. A list of recurring events will pop up. Click the plus button to add your next repeatable event. You can choose to repeat your event on specific dates and times, or set it to repeat every Monday, Tuesday, or any day you like. Remember to pick dates and times that don't overlap. Scheduling your event is that easy. Check the list of your upcoming recurring events in the event description to stay on top of your schedule. Keep your audience coming back with recurring webinars on LiveWebinar.com.